Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll solve one more problem related to income from house property, in which we need to calculate the interest on borrowed capital or borrowing cost. You have to find out that. The question is on the screen. Date of borrowing of loan is on 1/6/2015. Date of repayment of loan. So loan is repaid, that is on 10th May 2023. This is our assessment year. This date comes in our assessment year. So this date is in our assessment year. Date of completion of construction will be May 2020. So the construction has got completed in May 2020. Amount of loan borrowed. So totally they have borrowed the loan how much? 30,000 rupees is the loan amount they have borrowed. The interest on loan is 20% per annum. With this particular details, we have to calculate the total interest on loan that can be deducted. As you are all aware that we have two types of deduction. One is standard deduction. Second one is interest on loan. Two deductions we will get. So we have to calculate for second deduction. Second deduction we have to calculate. We have three steps. First, we will follow step number 1. Step number will be calculation of pre-construction cost. What is this pre-construction cost means? The amount from which we have taken the loan. So it is date of obtaining loan up to date of completion of construction. So till you construct the house, okay, till you construct the house, whatever the period will be there, you will be paying the interest, right? For example, I will take the loan in 2015, okay, and I will construct the building in 2018. So 3 years before only I have taken the loan before the completion. So that 3 years, whatever the interest I will pay, that is known as pre-construction cost. So date of obtaining loan. So from the date you have obtained the loan till the date of completion of construction, till when the construction you have completed, till that you will consider it to be pre-construction interest. So now date of completion they have given in the question. You have completed the, what do you say, you have completed the construction of your house on May 2020. Next, date of loan taken or date of loan borrowed. So when you have borrowed the loan, so you have taken the loan on 1/6/2000 1/6/2015. So this information is very important. You have taken the loan on 1/6/2015. You have constructed the building, you have constructed the house on May 2020. So whatever the interest you pay between these two, ಈ ಎರಡು ಡೇಟ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ನಾವು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೀ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So from 1/6/2015 to 31st March 2020. Why 31st March 2020 means this is May month. So I will round it off to previous year. So my previous year ends 31st March 2020. So we have to round off because only 2 months is there, right? We have to round it off to the previous year only. Round off ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ 1/6/2015. ಸೊ 1/6/2015 ಇಂದ 31st March 2016, 10 months ಇದೆ. So 30,000 is the total amount obtained into 20% is the rate of interest into 10 months divided by total 12 months. You will get 5,000. Next assessment year starts from 1/4/2016 to 31st March 2017. Complete 12 months you are paying the interest. 30,000 into 12%. It will be 6,000. Similarly, from 1/4/2017 to 31st March 2018, you are paying same 6,000 interest. Next, 1/4/2018 to 31st March 2019 also you are paying 12 months of complete interest. Next, 1/4/2019 to 31st March 2020 also you are paying the complete interest of 6,000 rupees. This is where our date ends. So you have constructed the house after this thing. So see 31st March 2020. Now add all this thing, you will get 29,000. So what is the meaning of this means? Before the construction of your house, you have paid total 29,000 rupees interest. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೀವು 21,000 ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅಸ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್. So this 29,000 they will not allow the deduction only 1 year. Total you have to take that deduction will be given for 5 years. ಸೊ ಒಂದೇ ಸತಿ ಫುಲ್ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ. 5 ವರ್ಷ ಅದನ್ನ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೀ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ 5 ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ಯು ಡಿವೈಡ್ 29,000 by 5 years, we will get the pre construction interest, that is 5,800. So number step 1 completed, pre construction interest. Now step 2 will be previous year interest. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಟ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೀಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೋನ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. 10/5/2023. ಸೊ 10/5/2023 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 2 ತಿಂಗಳು. ಸೊ ಅವರ್ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಎಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ 31st March 2023. So previous year mugudmelunu we are paying the interest. Even after the previous year is completed, we are paying the interest. Which means in the previous year fully we have paid the interest. So complete for the previous year, we have paid the interest. That is from 1/4/2022 to 31st March 2023, we have paid the interest. So for complete 12 months, so 30,000 into 20% is 6,000. So this is 6,000 is the previous year interest. Previous year interest is 6,000 rupees. So previous year interest ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ 6,000 rupees. Now step 3 is calculation of total interest available in the deduction. So we have to add both pre-construction interest plus previous interest. ಅದೆರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 11,000 rupees ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. This is the amount that we can take it as deduction. So ಈ amount ನಾವು deduction ತಗೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. So this is how we need to solve the problem. So 3 steps. First you have to calculate pre-construction interest, and whatever the amount you get, you can take the deduction for 5 years. So you have to divide 5 by 5. Next you have to calculate the previous year interest. Next you have to add both to get the total interest that can be available for deduction from net annual value for the previous year. This is how we need to solve the problem. Hope you have understood how to solve the problem. If you have any doubts, please put your doubts in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.